Welcome to Happiness Habits. The mission of Happiness Habits is to spread happiness and joy to everyone. Have you ever stopped to consider what you're grateful for today? That question, deceptively simple, holds a power that can transform your life in remarkable ways. Welcome, dear listeners, as we delve into the world of gratitude, a world where the ordinary becomes extraordinary and where the overlooked gains significance. Gratitude is more than a fleeting feeling of thankfulness. It's a powerful force, a mindset that can alter your perception of the world around you. It's an appreciation for the good in your life, from the monumental to the minute. It's a recognition of the positive aspects of your existence and an acknowledgement of the kindness and generosity that others extend towards you. The transformative power of gratitude is astounding. It's like a lens that magnifies the good in our lives, allowing us to see and appreciate things we often take for granted. Gratitude, when practiced regularly, can lead to increased happiness and a greater sense of fulfillment. It's a catalyst for positive emotions, reducing stress and fostering contentment. Gratitude has a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. It is a natural antidote to feelings of envy, resentment, and dissatisfaction. It enhances our mood, reduces stress, and promotes a sense of peace and contentment. It's like a balm for the soul, soothing our anxieties and fears and fostering a sense of inner calm. Gratitude also strengthens our relationships. When we express our appreciation for others, it deepens our connections, fosters empathy, and fuels mutual respect and understanding. It creates a positive cycle of generosity and kindness, where gratitude begets more gratitude. So the next time you're feeling down or stressed, try shifting your focus. Look for the good in your life, the things you're grateful for. You might be surprised by how much there is to appreciate, and how this simple act can shift your perspective and boost your mood. Gratitude might seem simple, but its effects are profound. As we continue on this journey, we'll explore practical ways to cultivate a mindset of gratitude and how to integrate it into every facet of your life. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the transformative power of gratitude. So, how do we cultivate this powerful mindset of gratitude? Well, it starts with the understanding that gratitude is not an automatic response, but rather a cultivated habit. It's something you actively work on, not something that simply happens to you. Practicing gratitude can begin with small, simple steps. Start by acknowledging the good in your life. Each morning as you wake up, think of 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be monumental. A warm cup of coffee, a brief moment of solitude, or a kind word from a loved one can all be sources of gratitude. Next, shift your perspective. When you encounter challenges, don't ask, "Why is this happening to me?" Instead, ponder, "What can this teach me?" This shift can transform your perspective, encouraging you to see adversity as an opportunity for growth rather than a setback. And finally, express your gratitude openly. Share your appreciation with those around you. Not only does this affirm your own feelings of gratitude, but it also has the power to positively impact others. Remember, gratitude is a choice, and it's one that can change your life. Gratitude isn't just about you, it's about your relationships with others. It's the invisible thread that weaves love, respect, and mutual appreciation between hearts. It's the gentle whisper that says, "I see you, I appreciate you, you matter to me." When we express gratitude, we're not just saying a simple thank you. We're acknowledging the value that someone brings to our life. We're fostering empathy by expressing understanding and shared feelings. We're encouraging forgiveness by showing that we appreciate the good in someone, even when they may have wronged us. Gratitude can transform our relationships in profound ways. It can deepen our connections with others, creating a sense of closeness and intimacy. It can enhance our communication, making our interactions more positive and enriching. It can even improve our overall well-being, as strong, healthy relationships are a key component of a fulfilling life. Gratitude is the gift that keeps on giving. When we express it, we're not only enriching our own lives, but also the lives of those around us. It creates a ripple effect of positivity and love, touching everyone it comes into contact with. So let's make gratitude a daily practice in our relationships. Let's appreciate the people in our lives, not just for what they do for us, but for who they are. By expressing gratitude, we can create more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Living a life of gratitude requires regular practice. Just like any skill, the more you practice, the better you get at it. So let's dive into some practical gratitude practices that can be easily incorporated into your daily routines. Firstly, there's gratitude journaling. This involves writing down things you're thankful for each day, no matter how big or small. This simple act can shift your focus from what's going wrong to what's going right, fostering positivity and contentment. Next, there are acts of gratitude. These can be as simple as saying thank you more often, or as grand as performing a kind deed for someone else. Acts of gratitude help to spread positivity, fostering a cycle of kindness and appreciation. Then there are gratitude rituals. These can be as unique as you are. Perhaps it's taking a moment to reflect on your blessings over a morning cup of coffee, or maybe it's a nightly gratitude prayer before bed. The key is consistency. Lastly, practicing gratitude in adversity. This might be the most challenging, but also the most rewarding. It involves finding something to be grateful for in difficult situations, which can help foster resilience and emotional strength. Integrating these practices into your daily life can help you cultivate a habit of gratitude. Gratitude isn't just about feeling good. It's also about personal growth. When we practice gratitude, we're not only acknowledging the good in our lives, but also enhancing our self-awareness. This is because gratitude forces us to pause, take a step back, and truly see what's around us. It helps us recognize the value in every moment, every interaction, every experience. But it doesn't stop there. Gratitude also promotes self-acceptance. It's a gentle reminder that we are enough, just as we are. It's a celebration of our strengths, our victories, our progress. And in recognizing what we have, we can better appreciate who we are. Empowerment is another gift of gratitude. By shifting our focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, we gain a sense of control over our lives. We realize that we have the power to choose our perspective, to choose our response, to choose our path. And that's an incredibly empowering realization. So you see, gratitude is more than a feel-good exercise. It's an agent of personal growth. It's a tool that can help us become more self-aware, more accepting of ourselves, and more empowered in our own lives. By practicing gratitude, we can become more mindful, resilient, and compassionate. Gratitude can also help us shift our mindset from scarcity to abundance. It's a powerful transformation that begins within, by acknowledging the blessings we already have. Gratitude is like a beacon, radiating positivity and attracting more of the same. It's the law of attraction in action, and gratitude is the catalyst. When we express gratitude, we're sending a powerful message to the universe that we appreciate what we have, and we're open and ready for more. This can lead to financial abundance, as we start to see opportunities where we once saw obstacles. Our health, too, can prosper, as the positive emotions associated with gratitude can contribute to our overall well-being. And when it comes to success, gratitude can open doors, foster meaningful connections, and create opportunities for growth and advancement. Gratitude doesn't just make us feel rich, it actually brings richness into our lives, in all its forms. It's like a ripple effect, where one act of gratitude can set off a chain reaction of abundance. With gratitude, we can cultivate an abundance mindset and attract more success and prosperity into our lives. Gratitude can also lead to a sense of inner peace and contentment. It's a transformative feeling that can help us find contentment, let go of negativity, and embrace a more peaceful and fulfilling existence. When we express gratitude, we acknowledge the good in our lives, and this in turn helps us to focus on positivity rather than dwelling on our worries or regrets. It teaches us to appreciate the present moment, to find joy in the simple things, and to cultivate a sense of acceptance. Acceptance, in turn, allows us to let go, to detach ourselves from the desire to control every aspect of our lives. This detachment is not about indifference or neglect, but about understanding that we cannot control everything, and that's okay. Moreover, gratitude is deeply intertwined with forgiveness. It encourages us to let go of past grudges and to forgive not only others but ourselves too. It reminds us that everyone makes mistakes and that these mistakes do not define us. Finally, gratitude promotes mindful self-care. It encourages us to take care of ourselves physically, emotionally, and mentally. It reminds us that we are deserving of love and care, and this realization can bring immense peace and happiness. By practicing gratitude, we can cultivate inner peace and live a more serene and fulfilling life. So how do we integrate gratitude into all aspects of our lives? This question brings us to the heart of living a grateful life. It's not just about saying thank you, it's about making gratitude a way of life. Gratitude is like a muscle. The more we use it, the stronger it gets. And to make it a part of our everyday life, we need to practice it actively. Start each day with a gratitude ritual. It could be as simple as listing 3 things you are grateful for when you wake up. Find small moments of gratitude throughout the day. It could be the warm sun on your face, a kind word from a friend, or even a delicious meal. But what about those times when life throws us curveballs? It's not so easy to feel grateful then. But here's the thing. Gratitude isn't about ignoring life's challenges or pretending that everything is perfect. It's about choosing to focus on the good, even when things are tough. It's about finding the silver linings, the lessons in adversity. Remember, gratitude is also about acknowledging the people in our lives. Make it a habit to express appreciation to your loved ones, colleagues, and even the strangers who show kindness. A simple thank you can go a long way in strengthening relationships and spreading positivity. Living a life of gratitude also means being present in the moment. It's about appreciating the here and now, even the mundane parts of life. It's about slowing down, noticing the beauty around us, and savoring each moment. Gratitude can also influence our perspective on abundance. When we focus on what we have rather than what we lack, we shift from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance. This shift can open doors to new opportunities and experiences, enriching our lives in unimaginable ways. And finally, remember to be kind to yourself. Self-compassion is a vital part of gratitude. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small, and learn to forgive yourself for the missteps. After all, we are all works in progress. Remember, living a life of gratitude isn't about ignoring life's challenges. It's about choosing to find the good in every situation. So let's make a choice today to live gratefully, to live fully, because a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please visit our website at www.happiness.coach.